हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू मिरेकल मैथ्स एकेडमी। आज की वीडियो में हम मैट्रिसेस और उसके टाइप्स को डिफाइन करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ अ मैट्रिक्स? अ मैट्रिक्स इज़ एन ऑर्डर्ड रेक्टेंगुलर एरे ऑफ नंबर्स और फंक्शंस, and the number or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. And the matrix is represented by a capital letter. Here is the matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 5, 9, 6, 8. Now in this matrix, vertical lines of elements are said to be column, and the horizontal line of elements are said to be rows. That means in this matrix there are 3 rows and 2 columns. 2 columns and 3 rows. Order of a matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m into n. Here is a matrix in which m rows and n columns, or you can represent it by A is equals to Aij, m into n. Here m are the rows and n are columns. So in this matrix there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So the order of these matrix is 3 into 2. Now construct a 3 into 2 matrix whose elements are given by 3 into 2 matrix. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. So let matrix A is equals to A11, A12, A22, A21, A22, A31 and A32. Here I is equals to 1, 2, 3 and J is equals to 1, 2. Now find the values of A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. A11. Here I is equals to 1, J is equals to 1. Put in this. Half 1 minus 3 into 1. So minus 2 upon 2. Because of mod, this is 1. A12. I is equals to 1 and J is equals to 2. Half 1 minus 3 into 2 is equals to 5 by 2. A21, I is equals to 2 and J is equals to 1. Half 2 minus 3 is equals to half. A22 is equals to, I is equals to 2 and J is equals to 2. So half 2 minus 6 is equals to 2. A31 is equals to half. 3 minus 3 is equals to 0 and A32 half. I is equals to 3 and J is equals to 2. So 3 by 2. Now put these values in this matrix. We get A is equals to 1, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 2, 0 and 3 by 2. This is our required matrix of order 3 into 2. Types of matrices. First, column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. Only one column. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. So this is a matrix of order 4 into 1. Here 4 rows and 1 column. Row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Let B is equals to 1, 3, 5. So here is only one row and the order of this matrix is 1 into 3. Square matrix. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if it has equal column and row, same number of rows and same column. Rows is equals to columns. For example, a matrix A 1 2 2 1. This is a square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns are equal. Diagonal matrix. A matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if its all non-diagonal elements are 0. If its all non-diagonal elements are 0. This is a diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a scalar matrix if all its diagonal elements are equal. So this is a scalar matrix. Identity matrix. A diagonal matrix is said to be a identity matrix if all its diagonal elements are 1. So it is a identity matrix. Zero matrix. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix if all its elements are 0. All of elements of rows and columns are 0. So it is a zero matrix.